Nestled in the green hills of Chel, Himachal Pradesh, with heritage charm and untouched natural beauty.
Welcome to Hazelwood, a private residential community for relaxed living in the heart of nature.
Just 15 kilometers from Chel bus stand, Hazelwood features 162 studio and 1 BHK apartments in 5 towers, spread across 3.5 acres, thoughtfully designed for comfort, relaxation and a luxurious lifestyle.
With modern amenities like grocery and commercial facility, all-weather swimming pool, indoor games area,
fully equipped gym, rooftop lounge and leisure corners, restaurant and party hall, offering a beautiful community experience.
Living here means being close to some of the region's
چشم تو افتاد به من و شهر محو شد یه دفعه قلبم از سینه پرید بی اجازه و بی هاشی اسم تو رو نفس رو لبام نوشت